All right, I got a question for you. If you raise worms or you're a gardener, what do you see when you look at this pill? I'm going to show you 2 ways that I would use this. So enjoy the video! Well, hello. You know how it is. If the glass is half full, half empty. 2 ways I would use this. I would use this as a flowering pot. And what I could do is drill some holes on the bottom for drainage. Add my soil in here, plant my seeds, and this would be a homemade flowering pot. And also, I could use this as a worm tower. What I would do is drill holes throughout the sides of this. Drill some holes on the bottom so worms can come and go. Dig this into the soil and place it in the garden bed about this height. Add food scraps, paper, and it's a compost bin as well. Worms will come and go. So that's another option to use this pill. So what would you use this pill for? Leave it in the comments box below. If you like this video, give it a like. If you like what you're hearing from me, subscribe to my channel. I just want to take time out to say thank you for watching, and you have a great day. Bye.